Most corrosion is from condensation, from moisture coming out. So all the things we mentioned before, making sure you have no condensation anywhere in the system. What Matt said is very true, though. The vast majority of corrosion in any baghouse, if you go up, it's always around the door, around the airlock, and around the flanges of the ductwork. And that's because those are the places the gaskets get worn out and air leaks in. So you have cold, wet, humid air outside leaking into the hot air. So you have condensation, or vice versa. When it's winter, you have cold air that goes into hot gas, and that's where you get the condensation. So making sure the door gaskets and all that are in good condition. There's no holes. And just one other detail that gets overlooked a lot of times when we go to open the bag houses and the bolts are just finger tight. So they have the good gaskets, but they don't appreciate that they have to really clamp the door down, and that's where the leakage is because they're not clamping it down.
Yeah, just to add to that too, you mentioned already, making sure your temperature is high enough so you don't get, condensation. And then I'll add one other thing. We recently have partnered with a company called Eon Coat that makes a ceramic coating that you can apply to steel structures like the interiors of baghouses. And it's a extremely high temp and extremely corrosion resistant coating. So we've had a recent, application that had a lot of hydrofluoric acid along with high temperatures, very challenging, super aggressive corrosion on the baghouses. But this coating you apply basically, and it lasts for years if it's done properly and maintained, and it resists corrosion. So in a super challenging application where you just cannot manage the temperature, or you have some aggressive acids or chemicals in there that are going to attack your structure, something like that could be an option as well.